Good evening. This is Manish Sharma from Make My Stock. Last video I had posted about Nifty view. On Monday I had asked to buy in a dip, and if you see the Monday opening is this candle, the large green candle. I had mentioned that if there is any dip, and which was expected because global market was weak, and I had mentioned that if there is any dip Monday opening, then you can enter long position for target of 16,200. If you see Monday low was 15,505, and after that low, I think opening was 15,525 and low was 505. So almost it opened at a low, and from there continuous recovery happened in the market. Intraday it made a high of 15,765. So within same day you would have made 200 point plus in Nifty if you would have added future or option. So in either case you would have made good money, or if you would have hold it till Friday also, it closed at 15,860, I guess. Closing is 15,860. So good upside from opening Monday morning, almost 400 point upside you have got. So obviously at any point of time, if you have added the trade, you would have made money. My target was 16,200, which has not come because 15,900 is one of the triple top where there will be a resistance. So we have booked our long position. If anyone is holding this position, then Monday I am expecting some gap up opening where you can book profit. There can be some pressure at this level. So if there is any downside, you see, then you can add long position. But now I am not focusing on any long position in Nifty. I have already booked my long position. Now my focus is Reliance. Reliance has given a good breakdown after AGM announcement on expiry day, and if you see almost more than 200 point downside has come from the high of 2260. I think this is the candle where it made a high 2260. Yes, from 2260 it has come down to, it made a low of 2080. If you see this pattern, I can't draw a line here, but if you see this picture, this is a perfect W pattern, or you can say a bat wing pattern is also formed here. And if you see this line, let me draw this horizontal line. If you see this line, it has actually perfectly taken a support at this level. Maybe I need to draw it little lower. So if you see this range, the range is broken, but the retesting has happened. If you see, this was a breakout zone, and this zone has been retested. So what I am expecting, if this is defended, no further downside, because there is another support here again. If you see 20,040 level, sorry, not here, at this level 2040 is almost a level, spot level, where there will be a support. So I am expecting maybe if there is a minor dip, you can add long position here. I have already added my long position on Friday. So I entered somewhere at the upper range around 2150, I guess, because I was not expecting this level to break. If you see this line, I was not expecting this 2120 to break, but it has broken and closed below it, which shows slight weakness. But if you see EMA, it is continuously showing uptrend even after such a huge fall. So if you can add your position, I may not suggest the exact trade which option you should add, but you can add in future as well, and keep a stop loss below 2040 level in a spot, and you can hold the position. I am expecting all the downfall which has happened in last few session should be recouped within 2-3 sessions, or maybe within a maximum of 1 week. So that's my view. I have had a long position on Reliance, and I recommend everyone to go long on Reliance from this level. You can do your own analysis and understand the risk in the trade, and then enter. I will not be responsible, or my channel will not be responsible for any loss or profit you incur in this trade. So that's it. And then I would request everyone, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share within your groups. And if you are new to market, you want to start trading, then you can click on the link which I have provided for new demat account opening, or you can connect me through WhatsApp. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Bye. Happy trading.